connection of the median nerve or the anterior interosseous nerve between the C5 and C7. Okay? So patient is in supine position, shoulder depressed, and abducted at 110 degrees. Okay, erase our arm pala yung 110. And then i-depress ang shoulder. 110.
180 mo na.
This is 90. 100, 110. Okay. And then depress. See, tensiometer.
Tensiometer.
Okay, so elbow extended, and then forearm supinated.
Supinated.
Wrist extended.
Forearm supine.
Wrist extended. Okay. Wrist
Sinulog ka.
So wrist extended, finger and thumb
Ano na yan?
extended. Okay, extended. And then cervical spine side flexion with the contralateral.
Oh, ano ka dyan?
Okay.
Sinulog na yun.
Side flexion ra. Flexion ra siya ha. Okay,
Upper limb tension test 1.
Okay,
Upper
so what?
limb tension test 1.
Upper limb tension
Abducted.
test 1.
Okay, wrist extended, forearm supinated,
Okay, gusto nyo.
finger and thumb extended. And then side flexion to the contralateral side of the area of interest. Imagine the patient is in supine position. Oh. Okay, next. That's ULT.